Prove that area of a triangle equal to under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s equal to a plus b divided by 2 and a, b and c are three sides of triangle. Now suppose this ABC is a triangle, then these will be ABC are respective sides. Now let's draw a perpendicular from point A, vertex A to side BC. So this will intersect at point D, and this AD will become height for of this triangle for the base BC. Now since AD is perpendicular to BC, so triangle ABD and triangle ACD are right angle triangles. Right angle triangles. So from ABD we'll find out H, and from ACD we'll find out H, and we'll make that equivalent both. So from triangle ABD, H will be nothing but under root c square minus a minus x के whole square. Because you have hypotenuse from Pythagoras theorem, you can say hypotenuse का whole square equal to base का whole square plus perpendicular whole square. So perpendicular will be equivalent to under root hypotenuse square minus base whole square. Now from triangle, similarly from triangle ACD, H will be equal to nothing but b square minus x square. Now we will make these two equivalent. Hence under root c square minus a minus x to the whole square barabar under root b square minus x square. Now we will square on both the sides, so we will get c square minus a minus x to the whole square equal to b square minus x square. We'll expand it further, so we'll get c square a square plus x square minus 2ax barabar equal to b square minus x square, which will nothing but c square minus a square minus x square. Will open this bracket, so this will become something like this. Now x square and this x square, both of them will cancel out, so we are left with c square minus a square plus 2ax equal to b square. Now we will take this one onto right side, so we'll get 2ax equal to b square minus c square plus a square. Hence x will be equivalent to a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2a. Now if we have found out x, if we put this x into this one, then we will be able to find out h. Now once we find out that h, we know that the area of a triangle is nothing but 1 by 2 into base into height, which will be nothing but 1 by 2 into a into h. If we are able to find out h, we'll put this value h here, and then we can find out area of triangle, and we will try to bring it in this format. So let's go ahead and do that thing. So h equal to under root b square minus x square, hence h equal to, we'll put that value equal x equal to this one, so this will become something like this. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square, so we will say under root b minus a square minus b square equal to nothing but a minus b into a plus b. So this will become something like this, a minus b into a plus b. So a square plus b square minus c square only this divided by 2a. Now we will put the value of h in area of triangle. So area of triangle is given by 1 by 2 into base into height. Here base is BC into height is h, barabar 1 by 2 into a into h. This is nothing but 1 by 2 into a into h is nothing but this one. So we will put this value as under root. Now here we will take that LCM in both the cases. So it will become 2ab minus a square minus b square plus c square divided by 2a into 2ab plus a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2a. Now we will take this one by 2 inside, and we will take this one a outside. So it will become a by a into under root 1 by 2. When it will go inside, it will become 1 by 4 into, now this one if you see is nothing but c square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by 2 into, this is nothing but a plus b के whole square minus c square divided by 2 equivalent to a. This will cancel. Now you will have 1 by 16. 1 by 16 into, now this is in the form of c square minus a minus b के whole square. Now this is a square minus b square. So we will expand this one. So it will become a plus b minus c into a plus b plus c. We use the formula of a square minus b square, and then we simplified it this way. Again we will use that same formula here. So it will become under root 1 divided by 16 into c square is nothing but c. We will use that a square minus b square formula. So it will become this one a minus b into a plus b into a plus b minus c into a plus b plus c. Now instead of 16, I can simply put divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. That is same as 16. I can remove from 16 from here. Now if you see, if I assume that s equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2, so this formula becomes equivalent to under root. This will be nothing but s minus a. This will be nothing but s minus b. This will be nothing but s minus c into, this is nothing but s. So area of triangle, it becomes under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So this way it can be proved, or we can derive that Heron's formula this way.